Mehsana Special Fast Track Court has acquitted 42 people in the Sardarpura riots case, giving its verdict in one of the most brutal incidents of the post-Godhra riots. Social activist Teesta Setalvad on the phone line with us. Ms. Setalvad, your first reaction to this particular verdict, 31 people being found guilty in this case?
Victim lawyers have informed me that 33 have been convicted, not 31. According to me, this is a huge success story for the bravery and the courage of victim survivors who are living in Satnagar. They are landless laborers. They are deposed without fear and favor. And the fact that the justice has been given is a huge tribute to the lower judiciary in Gujarat.
Right. Ms. Setalvad, it is one of the 9 cases that was investigated by the SIT appointed by the Supreme Court, and such a verdict coming. How do you really see other cases panning out, looking at this particular one?
Well, now the next judgment will be due in the old cases, and after that in Patia, Gulbarg and Naroda. We had certain reservations with the SIT investigation because SIT failed to look at the build-up to the conspiracy, failed to examine Ashish Khaitan of Telka, etc. So those issues we will take up in appeal in terms of the wider conspiracy not being investigated. But as far as the mob violence and as far as the prosecution and the judicial verdict is concerned, we believe that the judicial verdict has honored the integrity of the evidence and has ensured justice is done.
Right. Ms. Setalvad, considering that a total of 73 people were facing trial in this case, with over 30 being convicted, would you say justice has been done?
You see, in cases of mob violence, we will have to evaluate the entire judgment so I can give you a full answer. But 33 out of 73 means close to over a half, which means in West Bakery, we had 9 convictions in the retrial. In Bilkis Bano, we had less. So I think in mob violence, it is extremely important that eyewitnesses report, 4 witnesses report and identify each accused. So I think it's a huge victory.
All right, Ms. Setalvad, thank you very much for speaking with Times Now. Social activist Teesta Setalvad going on to hail the verdict, the details of which are still trickling in. We also have Abhishek on the phone line with us. Abhishek, considering that there had been arguments as far as the defense is concerned, that the people who had attacked that particular house were not from the same village, explain to us that this particular case, the twists and turns that it has also seen, like the other cases connected to the Gujarat riots.
Well, this incident happened on the night of March 1, 2002, and in a village called Sardarpura in Mehsana district. And the details are that most of those killed were poor farm laborers in that village, essentially working on the lands of those who, in fact, attacked them on that day. On the side of defense, it was argued that the mob that had gathered had come from outside the village. So essentially, these people are falsely accused in the crime. But that argument obviously not holding water so far as convictions of at least those 31 is concerned. Of the 73 accused, actual accused were 76 who died, and of the 73 accused in this case, 42 have been acquitted, 11 honorably, and that's what it stands as of now. The judge has been identifying all these convicts individually. Now it would be to arguments as to the mitigating or other circumstances in support of quantum of punishment, and then we would know what is the quantum of punishment. It might take a couple of days.